Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram account. So first of all, open your Instagram apps, click onto profile, tap onto three line, click on account center, personal details, continue, select any region. If you want to select anything, click on to continue and type here your password, click on to continue, and then finally click on to delete account and then successfully delete Instagram account. So that's how we can do it. So that's how we can easily delete Instagram account.